So before this video gets started, if you're a gig worker and you want to make extra money, there's a new company called Fetti that's the future of jobs. All you have to do is enter your email below, answer a couple of questions, and within 2 minutes, they're gonna send you a list of high-paying jobs that you can do from anywhere in the country. And who knows, you could actually make a ton of money. And they're actually looking for gig workers specifically. So sign up, enter your email, link below, and let's get started with the video. This is somebody who made 2,000 bucks a week. So if you're an Uber driver, this is how you can make 2,000 bucks a week. Driving for Uber, it's possible. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need to be Ronnie SPE Tv. You can just be a normal Joe Schmo, or in this case, Travis Helms, who posted on our Uber driver Facebook group, link in bio, link in description. And he didn't even drive Monday. He only drove 6 days a week.
Yeah.
So you want to look at this? Or
So they made $2,166.43 online for 57 and a half hours, 130 trips. Let's see, guys. Let's do a little.
Somebody just commented, "Hey, cuties."
So we're gonna take 2166 divided by 57.5. They're making $37.50 per hour.
How much?
37 and a half.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, that is good.
37 bucks an hour.
Yeah.
That's very good.
Yeah.
Keep in mind, you do it paying for gas and wear and tear in your vehicle, so that's going to add up quite a bit.
Even paying for that, that's still pretty good.
Yeah. I wonder how many miles. So 130 trips in 6 days. That's around 22 rides a day. Sorry, I was trying to think.
Yeah.
21.7, I think, rides per day, right? What is it? 130 trips divided by 6. So what's 130 divided by 6? 130 divided by 6. 21.66. I was literally like so close. I said 21.7. Am I a genius? I was very close. I'm just saying I was weirdly close.
Yeah.
I might need to go take an IQ test. All right, it's about that time of day, about that time of the stream where I start getting a little goofy. So, how many miles did you put in your car? Half of that is expenses for your car. You worked your butt off.
Let's talk about this.
Decent hours too.
Which state are you
which
making?
state? Oh yeah.
Are there replies?
Texas.
Oh yeah, Austin is a pretty
Texas, brother.
Pretty active city.
Yeah. Austin, Texas. Going hunting and fishing.
Yeah, they're not like that in Austin, though.
No?
Austin's, like, more progressive and, like, it's not, like, very conservative.
They're not like cowboys and hayrides.
No.
And country music, fishing and hunting.
If you want that, you could go to, like, Spring, Texas.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty good earnings.
So that's how you make $2,000 a week.